In today's video, I'll show you how to open an XTB trading account. So the first thing that you can do is use the link in the description of this video, and that will take you to xtb.com. And what you want to do is just go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on create account. And the first thing that you're going to do is put in your email address and your country of residence, and then you can just click on next. From there, they're going to ask you to create a password. Next up, you're going to need to fill in your personal information. They'll ask you a few questions, like for instance, ID, phone numbers, and a date of birth. You'll then be asked to tick a few boxes and just confirm and read through everything, and then you can go to the next step, which will be to provide verification. So they're going to want your ID or your driver's license, anything that you can use to verify yourself. Passports can also work. Again, this will just be a case of following the prompts. If you see on the top here, it might not be very clear, but you can click on the screen button to just do everything via your cell phone if you don't have a webcam. Once you've completed that, you'll also need to verify your address. You can use bank or card statements for this, and you can just upload it. And then you are officially done. You just need to wait for XTB to get back to you and let you know that your account has been successfully activated. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description of this video, as we have a link to XTB in there. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.